this exercise is focusing on the stance phase of gait. Okay, so after we've sustained an injury or had a surgery, we can avoid putting full weight bearing on that involved leg because it's painful. Okay, but once the pain actually goes away, that movement pattern and habit is actually rewired into our brain so that we avoid putting full weight bearing on that involved leg, even though we're not feeling any pain. Okay, so this exercise kind of breaks down that phase of gait and really emphasizes putting full weight bearing on the leg. Okay, so the involved leg is going to be maintain contact with the ground the entire time. Okay, so we're going to go forwards and backwards. You're not actually going to move in space. So you can hang on to something for balance, either a foam roller, or if you need something a little bit more stable, like a countertop or a ballet bar, whatever you have access to. Okay, so the purpose of this: keep your the hips and your pelvis level the entire time. Okay, so you're gonna step forward and you're gonna go as slow as possible throughout the whole exercise to really emphasize weight bearing on that involved leg. Okay, so you're gonna go till toe off, and then you're gonna really focus on accepting that weight on the involved leg. Okay, until you're at that initial contact stage. Okay, so heel strike. Okay, so you want to use your glute to keep that pelvis nice and level, squeeze your glute, and then your calf to initiate that push off. Okay, and then come back nice and slow, squeeze in the glute, putting all that weight onto your hip. Okay, and then go back and forth a few times until this feels more natural. Okay, so if I'm not activating my glute, when I put my weight on that leg, you can get this kind of hip out position, which is dysfunctional. Okay, so you really have to activate the glute med, the glute max, to keep your hips and your pelvis level the entire time. Okay, so front and back. And that's stance phase of gait.